Hi, my name is Olivia Z, and I'm currently the 11th grade student government representative, and I'm running for student government president. Since the beginning of high school, I've been an extremely active member of student government, and I'm deeply committed to making our school a better place for all students. Along with that, I'm a varsity swim team member, and I've co-created and lead the Scholars Academy Health and Wellness Club. A little bit about me outside of school is that I work at Kennedy's Restaurant as a hostess, I love to travel and try new things, and I even have a song published on all streaming platforms. The reasons why these factors contribute to why you should vote for me as your next student government president is that with all that I do, I have learned to lead, balance responsibility, and stay committed to the things that really matter, especially student government. At all that I do, student government is my top priority and has been all throughout high school. I already have a great amount of ideas, and I'm certain I can live up to this role. Well, you might be wondering what these ideas are. Just a few of them are bringing driver's ed into the Scholars Academy, having dogs available for students to play with during AP season, adding a junior prom, and much more. If you want to learn more about what I plan to do, please come up to me, even in the halls. I would love to discuss my ideas and hear what plans you have. The choice is no trivia. Vote for Olivia.